Yo, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through a straight and honest review about this AI website called Socialbee. Socialbee is a social media management tool. Think of it as a helper for your online posts. It lets you plan and share posts on many sites. You can schedule posts ahead of time called social media scheduling. Socialbee also use AI to help you find the best times to post. You can see how well you or your posts are doing with analytics. It helps you keep your profile organized. So Socialbee help you save time and get more people to see your post. So talking about the key benefit, the key features about this platform, Socialbee has some cool tools that make social media easier. And here are the one of the best features of this website, which is a AI post generator. It also comes with a content creation tools and a details analytics together with a social media co-pilot. So talking about the pricing plan, we have the different plans for this particular platform. We have the bootstrap, we have the accelerate, we also have the pro. So if you want more information about this key features on each allocated to each pricing plan, you can simply get back to the website to check more information about the pricing plan. So that's it. Let me know in the comment section what you think about this powerful AI website.